Hey, what's up guys? BTM here. Now today I'm comparing two of my popular jump starters that you can buy locally or you can get them at Amazon and keep them in your vehicles. So we're going to look at the Duralast 800 DL jump starter from AutoZone versus the Craftsman 1500 amp lithium jump starter battery. Now, it's that time of year when we have all of those type situations with the cars, so let's check it out. Alright, so one is certainly heavier than you'd expect, but simple and affordable, whereas the other one is a powerful 3-in-1 jump box built for bigger jobs. No sponsors, just real world testing. So hit that subscribe if honest tech reviews help you out. Alright, so first let's talk about the build quality. Now, the Duralast 800 DL has a solid, chunky feel. It's heavier than most 800 amp lithium jump starters with very thick plastic housing and very sturdy clamps. Now, this feels more like a compact traditional jump pack than a slim power bank. On the other hand, you have the Craftsman, the 1500A. It is somewhat larger overall, lengthwise, but that makes sense because it's designed as a jump starter, a power pack, and an emergency light all in one. Now, both of these feel very durable, neither feels cheap. So, what about installation and use? Well, the installation is very simple on both. What you do is you take your red clamp and you hook it to the positive. You take your black clamp and you hook it to the negative. You wait for confirmation and you start the vehicle. That's it. Now, the Duralast 800 is very basic. No boost modes, no digital display, just LED lights on the front. That simplicity can actually be a plus. On the other hand, the Craftsman 1500A gives you more feedback and flexibility, especially if the battery is discharged. Now, as far as jump power is concerned, the Duralast 800 amp is good for 4-cylinder cars and most V6 daily drivers. On the other hand, the Craftsman 15A has 1500 peak amps, almost double the 800, and it handles V8 gas engines and some diesel applications as well. Now, as far as versatility is concerned, the Duralast, it focuses on jump starting only, and yeah, you got your little USB charging port here for power out, but it's not really that significant. Whereas on the other hand, your Craftsman, you got 12-volt jump starter, you got USB type C, you got 12-volt in, and you got USB out. So that's good for accessories like phones, GPS, accessories like that, but only in emergency situations because it's really not that powerful. Now, let's talk about portability. Okay, so the Duralast definitely has a bigger footprint and it's certainly heavier than expected. But then you got the Craftsman. It is longer lengthwise, but that's justified because of the added power and the other features that you have with this as well. So here's a question for you in the comment section. Would you rather carry extra weight for simplicity or extra size for maximum power? Comment below. Alright, so let's talk about some of the pros and the cons. So we'll start with the Duralast. The pros for the Duralast is this thing is simple, no nonsense operation. It has a very durable housing and it's good for everyday cars. It's available locally in Amazon, or you can get it off of the internet as well. Now, as far as the cons are concerned, this thing is heavier than your typical 800 amp unit. It's limited power for trucks, and it has few extra features. Alright, so now let's talk about the cons for the Craftsman. It has much stronger starting power. It works with larger engines. It has a 3-in-1 jump box plus power pack. So we can say that it's suitable for automotive, marine, and power sports. Now let's talk about the cons. The cons are limited. First of all, it is certainly longer lengthwise, and it costs a lot more. So now let's look at the TechStar rating table. The Duralast 800DL, the battery, the build quality rating is 4.3. Protection, 4.4 stars. Power, 3.6 stars. Functionality, 3.5 stars. Value for the money, 4.4 stars. Now let's look at the Craftsman 1500. The build quality, 4.5. Protection, 4.6. Power, 4.8. Functionality, 4.6. Value for the money, 4.2. And the average TechStar rating is 4.5 out of 5 stars. So here's the final verdict. If you want simple, durable jump starter for daily life and don't mind the extra weight, then the Duralast 800DL gets the job done. If you want maximum power, versatility, and long-term coverage, then the Craftsman 1500A is worth the upgrade. Alright, again, so it's not sponsored. Links below if you want to help this channel to grow. And check out current pricing. Now, this is Bertrand Tech Man, and I'm bringing it back to you again. Now, one thing that I want to say, I've noticed that a whole lot of you who are watching these videos are not necessarily subscribed. So help a tech brother out. Hit that doggone subscribe button down below. But just as important, give me a comment. Let me know in the comment section below which way do you want to go. Would you go with heavy or would you go with more power? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. By the way, if you've enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy that one right there.